Safety training is crucial, but practicing in real-world high-risk environments can be dangerous. What if you could learn without the risks? Welcome to the future of safety training, where immersive virtual reality transforms learning experiences. VR creates fully immersive simulations, allowing learners to experience and respond to hazardous scenarios in a safe, controlled environment. From handling heavy machinery to fire safety drills, VR brings real-life challenges to life using tools like 360 degrees virtual environments, hand-tracking devices for realistic interactions, wearable sensors for instant feedback. Employees gain hands-on experience, build confidence, and master critical skills, all without facing real-world hazards. Practice critical emergency responses, like fire drills, in lifelike settings. VR ensures you stay prepared for real-world scenarios. From confined spaces to chemical spills, VR replicates challenging environments, ensuring trainees learn to assess and respond effectively. Track progress with real-time performance analytics, giving trainers insights to improve learning outcomes. Revolutionize your safety training today. Visit www.blitzlearning.in to explore how we're redefining safety with VR.